This video will be looking at this past question, JAMB past question. There is a use of English. Of course, in our channel, we have been giving you series of videos preparing you for the JAMB exam. So I want you to watch this video as we keep preparing and getting ready. Last year, a lot of candidates failed. Remember, in use of English, you will be facing 60 questions and you have only 40 seconds to answer each of them. So let's get ready, let's get prepared. What I'm giving you is more like an expo, because sometimes JAMB will repeat questions. I want you to pay rapt attention. Watch this video from beginning to the end. At the end of this video, I'm going to send you free JAMB past question. I'm going to send you free JAMB syllabus, right? That is if you watch from now to the end. Okay, let's start from 26. Select, I want you to pay rapt attention. We are doing this under laces and structure. Okay, select the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence below. Select the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence below. What is the sentence? Despite his arduous training, he narrowly missed the qualifying time for his marathon. Despite his arduous training, he narrowly missed the qualifying time for the marathon. So remember what they say, select the option that best explains the information. So despite his arduous training, he narrowly missed the qualifying time for the marathon. Which of the following sentences explains this? A, he easily qualified for the marathon. B, he didn't train for the marathon. C, he missed the qualifying time by a small margin despite intense training. D, he gave up during the marathon training. The answer is C. He missed the qualifying time by a small margin despite his intense training. Number 27. Select the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence below. What is the sentence? The detective found the hidden clue beneath the old dusty rug. The detective found the hidden clue behind the old dusty rug. Remember, they say select the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence below. A, the detective couldn't find any clues. B, the detective found the clues on top of the rug. C, the detective found a clue underneath the rug covered in dust. D, the detective didn't look under the rug. The answer, of course, is C. The detective found a clue beneath the rug covered in dust. 28. Select the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence. Remember that if you keep watching till the end, I'm going to send you this material, JAMB syllabus and JAMB past question. Okay, select the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence below. Despite his initial reluctance, Alex eventually embraced the challenge and succeeded. Remember, you must try to understand the question first before you attempt to answer. And why you need to watch this video and other videos, we have been reading out a series of videos for you on the book Lucky Headmaster, which is the book you will be using to write your use of English. If you have not watched it, tell me and I will send you the link. I've also given you Expo questions from that book. Okay, despite his influential reluctance, Alex eventually embraced the challenge and succeeded. A, Alex was always eager to accept challenges. B, Alex never succeeded in overcoming his reluctance. C, Alex overcame his reluctance and eventually succeeded. D, Alex refused to take on any challenge. Of course, you know the answer should be C. Alex overcame his reluctance and eventually succeeded. 29. Select the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence below. Select the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence below. A. Jenny's artistic talent blossomed under the guidance of her mentor. Jenny's artistic talent blossomed under the guidance of her mentor. A. Jenny's mentor hindered her artistic growth. B. Jenny's artistic abilities improved with her mentor's help. C. Jenny's artistic abilities improved with her mentor's help. D. Jenny's mentor discouraged her from pursuing art. The answer should be C. Jenny's artistic abilities improved with her mentor's help. Question 30. Select the option that best explains the information conveyed in the sentence below. A. Despite the stormy weather, the determined hiker reached the mountain's summit. Despite the stormy weather, the determined hiker reached the mountain's summit. A. The hiker turned back because of the storm. B. The hiker reached the mountain's base. C. The hiker successfully reached the summit despite the bad weather. D. The hiker reached the summit easily. The answer should be, tell me the answer in the comment section. I won't answer that one for you. Then let us look at antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are words that are opposite in meaning. I hope you still remember. Then synonyms are words that are similar in meaning. Remember, at the end of this video, I'm going to send you past question, use of English past question, and past question on the other 3 subjects we'll be writing. If you also need to get Lucky Headmaster, I will let you know how you can get it, although that one is not free. That one is not free. Can also send you the list of JAMB CBT centers near you so that you don't make any mistake. Okay, 31. Choose the word opposite in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. A. The company's miserly approach to employee benefits led to dissatisfaction among the staff. The company's miserly approach to employee benefits led to dissatisfaction among the staff. So you need to know the meaning of misery. That's why you need to read a lot. I've been encouraging you in this channel, all of you. Remember, I've been saying that all of you watching our videos, you must make at least 300 in your JAMB. If you claim it, tell me that you claim it. You must make at least 300 in your JAMB. If you see any word you do not understand, what do? Find the meaning immediately in a dictionary. Okay? The company's miserly approach to employee benefit led to dissatisfaction among the staff. So what is the opposite of misery? A. Frugal. B. Generous. C. Thrifty. D. Stingy. The answer is generous. That is B. A miserly means they are stingy. Okay? 32. Choose the word opposite in meaning to the word or phrase in italics below. Despite his initial apathy towards politics, he decided to run for office. Despite his initial apathy towards politics, he decided to run for office. A. Enthusiasm. B. Indifference. C. Empathy. D. Sympathy. The answer is enthusiasm. Apathy means somebody that is not interested. So the opposite of apathy should be enthusiasm, right? I want you to note these things because JAMB most of the time will repeat their questions. Okay? Choose the word opposite in meaning to the phrase or italics. So we are still dealing with antonyms. Her reticent nature made it challenging for her to engage in group discussions. Her reticent nature made it challenging for her to engage in group discussions. So when we say reticent, what is the opposite of reticent? A. Talkative. B. Reserved. C. Outspoken. D. Loquacious. So reticent means somebody that doesn't talk. The opposite in meaning of reticent has to be talkative. She too they talk. Reticent means she doesn't talk, but talkative, the opposite in meaning is talkative. Choose the word. We are still dealing with opposite in meaning. The professor's incoherent lecture left the students bewildered. What does it mean for something to be incoherent? That means you can't easily understand it. It's not clear. Incoherent means something that is not clear. Like if you have a handwriting that is incoherent, it means it is not clear for people to read it. The professor's incoherent lecture. So the answer, is it confused or clear or jumbled or muddled? The answer is clear. The opposite of incoherent is clear. I hope you are following. Okay, let's keep on moving. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you past questions on English, use of English. I'm also going to give you past question on your on the other 3 subjects you are writing. I'm also going to tell you how to get the book Lakey Headmaster if you have not gotten it. So keep watching till the end. Choose the word opposite in meaning. Okay, the artist's mundane paintings failed to captivate the art critics. The artist's mundane paintings failed to captivate the art critics. A, boring. B, ordinary. C, exceptional. D, uninspiring. Remember, we are talking about opposite. The opposite of mundane has to be exceptional. That is the opposite. Okay, the next is synonyms. In the next video, we will do synonyms. For now, watch the next video we will be doing on use of English. It will be on synonyms. We will keep giving you a lot of videos on English, use of English for your JAMB. For now, if you want to get past questions on use of English and the other subjects we'll be writing, if you want to get syllables so that you keep preparing, what you need to do is to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, and share this video. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share this video. When you do those things, come under the comment of this video and tell me, I have subscribed. When you come under the comment of this video, tell me, I have subscribed. Once I say you say, I have subscribed, I am going to chat you up and send those materials to you. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch it now.